hop in the cat, or hop on the back actually, get some laps. So it's so deep. Look at the puppy. Yo, yo. And we're going up there. We're gonna go shred some freaking cat laps. We got like 2 feet of snow, fresh powder. This place is untouched. It's pretty private here, so this is quite the treat. I'm so stoked. I can't wait to get ripping down here. If you're wondering how we got here, this is how it happened. We were getting a ton of snow in northern Michigan, so we decided to take a rambunctious trip north and try to catch up with the amazing powder that was headed our way. Got to the condo, had some fun.
Ty, what you cooking?
Oh, I think it's almost done actually. It's my chef's special. Oh, delicious. So hot. Really hot actually.
Here you go!
These are both brand new boots, let's stop that. And then we decided to ski the morning from 9 to noon at the resort in Bounds, where we knew the snow would be good in the morning, where we had a chairlift. They're like waiting to ask somebody like, oh, like, and then, yeah. I was gonna... Conditions are pumping! And once it was tracked out, then we decided we would go to the local spot, get some cat laps and some hiking and touring laps on some amazing 2 feet of snow with a fresh 8 to 10 inches, wind blown in there as well. So it was absolutely amazing. Here you go. Yeah, I'm holding on to that too, and I got my feet locked on. Thing sounds sick. Oh, we're cat skiing now, boys. Hey, I lost the ski out right there. Then it just popped right off.
Slow already that it was like you couldn't.
Wow. So that's interesting. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all of my newest videos, and hit that like button. I'll catch you guys next time.